Hello friends, this video is about 5 ways of using an Amazon Echo device in our everyday life. There are various flavors of Amazon Echo devices and each one of them comes to life when a user says Alexa. Alexa. The first use of an Amazon Alexa device is shopping list creation. For example, Alexa, add milk to shopping list.
Milk added to your shopping list.
Alexa, add rice and eggs to shopping list.
I have added rice and eggs to your shopping list.
Alexa, what is in my shopping list?
You have 3 items on your shopping list: eggs, rice, and milk.
Now, when you go to a grocery store, you can find the items in your shopping list by looking at your Amazon Alexa app in your cell phone. The second use is getting weather information. For example, Alexa, how is the weather today?
Right now in Brampton, it's 17 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight's forecast has cloudy skies moving in and out, with a low of 15 degrees.
Alexa, how is the wind?
Currently, it's breezy at 1.9 kilometers per hour. Tonight, expect a light breeze around 8 kilometers per hour.
Alexa, how is the weather for the next 7 days?
In Brampton for the next 7 days, Tuesday, 22 degrees Celsius and some sun and thunderstorms. Wednesday, 21 degrees and lots of clouds. Thursday, 18 degrees and cloudy skies. Friday, 19 degrees and partly sunny weather. Saturday, 15 degrees and showers. Sunday, 15 degrees and lots of clouds. Monday, 15 degrees and intermittent clouds.
The third use is using alarms and reminders. For example, Alexa, set an alarm at 5:15 a.m. tomorrow.
Alarm set for 5:15 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, set our reminder for 2:30 p.m.
What's the reminder for?
Picking up.
Okay, Lock Prakash. I'll remind you tomorrow at 2:30 p.m.
Alexa, set up a reminder at 8 p.m. for take my medicine.
Okay, Lock Prakash. I'll remind you tomorrow at 8 p.m.
The fourth use is for general knowledge. For example, Alexa, how much is 21.25 multiplied by 40?
21.25 times 40 is 850.
Alexa, what is the distance between Toronto and Montreal?
From Toronto, Montreal is 545.1 kilometers away by car.
Alexa, how far is the moon?
Today, the moon is 366,600 kilometers from Earth.
The fifth and the last use is for fun. For example, Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's the scariest kind of cheese? You might think it's Munster, but it's actually Boo cheese.
Alexa, tell me a kid's story.
A lucky harvest. Oh no, Betty mumbled, glancing around the kitchen. What's the matter? Olivia called from the dining room, where she was clearing the table. My wedding band must have slipped off when I was cooking. I can't find it. Betty and Olivia scoured the kitchen from top to bottom. They searched the sink, peeked under the
Alexa,
corners of the rug.
Stop. Alexa, wish me a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. If you'd like, ask me to sing happy birthday and we'll celebrate.
Alexa, sing happy birthday.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now 3 cheers. Here we go. Hip, hip, hooray. Hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Hooray. Hip, hip, hooray.
This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for your time. I would greatly appreciate your likes, comments and shares regarding the video. Bye for now.